The back camera and flashlight on a device may not be working due to several reasons, including a software glitch, a full camera cache, or outdated software. To resolve these issues, restarting the device is often a good first step. This can be done by pressing and holding the power button to access the power options and selecting the restart option. After the device has restarted, the camera app can be relaunched to see if the problem persists. If the issue remains, clearing the camera cache and data may be necessary. On Android devices, this can be done by launching the Settings app, selecting Applications, and then choosing the camera option. From there, selecting Storage and then Clear Data will delete the cache and data. On iPhones, freeing up space by deleting photos can help resolve the issue. This can be done by opening the Photos app, selecting all photos from the Library tab, choosing the photos to delete, tapping the trash icon, and confirming the deletion. Updating the device to the latest software version can also help resolve the issue. For Android devices, this can be done by opening the Settings app, selecting System, and then checking for updates. For iPhones, the Settings app can be opened, and the General option can be selected, followed by Software Update. Once the latest version has been downloaded and installed, the camera app can be relaunched to see if the problem has been resolved.